So guys, if you want to see how I prepare this yummy and delicious spaghetti, join me in my kitchen now. Let me give you the recipe. Okay guys. Hello Lady P lovers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are watching me from guys, it's your girl Lady P. So guys, are you coming across my video for the first time? Please guys, subscribe for your girl. Also like my video. Help me to share. Okay guys, as you do so, may God bless you. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how I prepare my spaghetti. Also, I have some meatballs. Join me in my kitchen now. Let me introduce you what I will be using in this recipe. Okay, guys, I love you all. So, guys, here are my ingredients I will be using. First, I have my salad. I have two seasonings. I have my onions, spaghetti. I have my tin tomatoes. I have my panzani sauce. Also, I have my meatballs, extra virgin oil. I have my garlic powder, ginger, paprika. I have thyme, black pepper. Also, I have curry. Okay, guys, so these are my ingredients I will be using. Stay tuned and watch me. So, guys, I have my pot in the fire already. Now I'll be adding my spaghetti. Okay guys, I just added my spaghetti. So I have my salt to taste. I just added my salt. So now I'm going to cover it to cook. I'll just allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I'll be back guys. So guys, let's check on the spaghetti. So this is after 10 minutes. Okay guys. So now I'm going to fry my meatballs. I'll be adding my oil. So I just add my meat. I'm going to allow it to fry. I'll be back guys. I'm going to turn it now. So guys, I finished frying my meatballs. Now I'm going to fry my sauce. First I'll be adding my oil. Okay, I'll be adding my onions. I'm just adding my onions. So I just adding my tomatoes. Here is my balsamic sauce. I'll be adding it now. Just add it. I'll be adding my ginger powder. I have my paprika. I have curry. I have my black pepper. Also, I have my thyme. So I just add everything now. I'll be adding some little salt because I use some salt to boil the spaghetti. I don't want the salt to be too much. I'll be adding my seasoning. So now I will give it a good stir. Okay guys, I just give it a good stir. I will be adding my meatballs now. Okay guys, I just add it, the meatballs. Now I will cover it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'll be back. So guys, let's check on the sauce. This was after 5 minutes. As you can see, my sauce is almost ready. It smells nice guys. So now I will be adding my spaghetti. Okay guys, have you give this video a thumbs up guys? Please do. Okay guys, now I'm adding my spaghetti. Wow, do you see that guys? So I just added my spaghetti. Now I'll give it a good stir. Wow. Guys, do you see that? Are you feeling me? It smells nice already, guys. Wow, the aroma is something else. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, guys, now I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes. Then I will lower the gas to cook. Okay, guys. So, guys, here is the finishing of my spaghetti. Wow, guys, do you see that? Hmm. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, do you see it? Mm. Wow, wow. Wow. So, guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the outcome of my spaghetti. Now, I'll bring out my plate to serve. Okay, guys. So, guys, it's time for me to serve my food. As you can see, I have my plate ready. Here's my spaghetti. Okay, guys. So, guys, here is the finishing of my spaghetti. Okay, guys, how do you see this? Wow, guys, have you liked this video? Please give me a big thumbs up. Okay, guys, here is the finishing. Mm. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.